got the memo. Yeah. You know how we do, baby. Yeah. That's it. Miguel, what up, what up, what up?
What up?
Lenzo.
Hey, you see that? Look at that.
What you done did, bro?
My boy makes that.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna need one.
Yeah, my boy, I don't know if you win.
I'm gonna need one. Hang that right up on my.
Then we did the mine on my girlfriend's car.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need one of them. I'm gonna hit you up. Yeah, I'm gonna need one of those. Yeah. I'm gonna hang that right in the garage. I love this hood, bro. Every time I look at this hood, I just. It does. Ooh, that's like a Lolo too, ain't it? Ooh.
It's on bag.
Ooh.
The reason why it's so low. Look in the hat.
Oh, oh, snap.
I've destroyed the crap out of the car so much on coilovers. I went the bag.
It's clean. Ooh, I love me a Teggy.
Woo. Get AC in this car. It is hot.
Hey, come out. Hey, over here.
Ooh, they got some big Cubans.
No, they got Nintendo 64 in there, bro.
Get out of here.
Like
some double I, boy. Ooh. Oh, snap.
I know you played with one two back. And they got
yeah, I like that. I like that. Them Brom seats is nice. Nasty, boy. Look at the size of this turbo. Stop. Man.
You know how to use the aluminum? Come check it out.
I know him. This Blizzard STI. That car nice. It's nice as heck, bro. The wide body is nice. I mean, it's super wide too. Super wide. Sexy. Just not. But see, on our cars, it's not aggressive enough. That's the problem. Yep.
That was pretty cool.
I got the Super 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that